Hold on to your passports, folks. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie, these tips are going to make your journeys smoother, cheaper, and way more enjoyable. So, let's dive right in and get you prepped for your next adventure. These travel hacks are about to blow your mind. From packing tips to booking secrets, we've got it all covered. Ready to become a travel pro? Let's get started. Ever try to fit your whole wardrobe into a tiny suitcase? Yeah, me too. It's a nightmare, right? But don't worry, there's a simple trick to make it all fit without the stress. Trick one: roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes not only saves space but also keeps them wrinkle-free. It's a win-win. Plus, you'll be amazed at how much more you can fit into your suitcase. Your clothes will thank you. Next, let's talk flights. Booking flights can be a daunting task, but with a few smart strategies, you can save a ton of money and avoid unnecessary stress. Use comparison tools and avoid peak seasons to save big bucks. Websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights are your best friends here. They help you compare prices across different airlines and find the best deals. And remember, flying midweek is often cheaper than weekends. Travel apps and secret discounts will be your new BFF. Apps like Hopper can predict the best times to book flights and hotels, while others like Hotel Tonight offer last-minute deals that can save you a fortune. Lost in a new city? It happens to the best of us. But don't worry, technology has your back. Google Maps is a lifesaver. Not only does it help you navigate unfamiliar streets, but it also shows you nearby attractions, restaurants, and even public transport options. Make sure to download offline maps before you go, just in case you lose internet connection. And for language barriers, keep a list of key phrases handy. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way. Apps like Duolingo or Google Translate can help you with pronunciation and translations on the go. Don't forget essentials like portable chargers and travel-sized toiletries. A dead phone battery can be a traveler's worst nightmare, so always carry a portable charger. And those travel-sized toiletries, they save space and comply with airline regulations. Jet lag? I've got tips to keep you energized. Stay hydrated, get plenty of rest, and try to adapt to the local time zone as quickly as possible. Want local eats? Ask the locals. They know the best spots that aren't in the guidebooks. And for budget stretches, think cashback apps and travel rewards. Using a rewards credit card for your travel expenses can earn you points or cash back, which can be redeemed for future trips. Apps like Rakuten can also help you get cash back on bookings. The ultimate hack: be flexible with your plans. Sometimes the best experiences come from spontaneous decisions. If you're open to changing your itinerary, you might find cheaper flights, better accommodations, or unexpected adventures. Trust me, it's a game changer. That's it, Travel Pros. With these tips, you're ready to conquer the world. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Share your tips below and hit subscribe for more travel magic. We love hearing from you and learning new tricks to make our travels even better. See you on the next adventure. Until then, happy travels and safe journeys. Bon voyage.